Measure's essential tendency attempt to describe a data set by identifying a single value within a central position of that data. One measure of essential tendency is the mode. The mode is the value that occurs most frequently. Within a data set, we can have one mode, several modes, or no mode. In order to find the mode, first we need to place our values in numerical order. Then we count how many of each value occur. Here we have the data from a group of friends who surveyed each other on what size shoe they wear. In order to find their mode, we first need to place their data in order from least to greatest. The smallest shoe size in their data set is a 4, so that would come first, followed by the size 7. Then several people wear an 8, so here's 1 8, and then we have 3 more 8s in the middle, so we would add those to our data list. After that, we have somebody who wears a size 9. Over here, we have 2 people that wear a size 10, and then our largest size is a size 13. Now we need to look to see how many times each data point occurs. There's a big clump of 8 here in the middle, and this tells us that 4 people wear a size 8, and then we have several 10s over here. This tells us that 2 people wear a size 10, and every other size occurs once. Since size 8 occurs 4 times, that tells us that that is our mode. The size that is worn most often in this group of friends is a size 8 shoe. More responses came into our shoe size survey. How is this going to affect what our mode is? Well, we can see that our data is already in order from least to greatest, and we can see that most sizes now occur more than once. If we go through our list, we now see there are 2 people that wear a size 6, there's 2 people that wear a size 7. We still have our 4 people that wear a size 8, there's still only 1 person for a 9, but now we can see there's 4 people that wear a 10, 1 person who wears an 11, and still our 1 person that wears a 13. Well, size 8 was our mode before because it occurred the most often. 4 people wore a size 8. But now that more people have responded, 4 people now also wear a size 10. So that means our data now has 2 modes. Both a size 8 and a size 10 occur the most often. What if your final grade for a class was determined by the mode of all of your grades? Well, here we have a student and the grades they have so far. To determine what their final grade would be, we're going to find the mode of their data. First, we need to put it in order from least to greatest. Their lowest grade is a 75, followed by an 82. On the other end, we can see they have an 85 and an 86, so those would come next. From there, they have an 89. That would be followed by the 93, and then we have a 94, and finally, in the grade book, they have a 100. Well, when we go to find the mode to determine what their final grade would be, we see that each value occurs only once. We can't have every value in the data set be a mode, so since everything occurs the same number of times, it's actually the other extreme of that. We have no mode. So that means mode is probably not the best way to determine a grade from a class, because then some people would have no grade because they would have no mode. Check out the other videos in our playlist and don't forget to click on subscribe. Thanks for watching!